Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syazani bin Muhammad Shah. Matric number B031910055. I am from 2BITS S1G2. So right now, I'm going to present my workshop 1 project. So the title of my program is UDrive system. And now the introduction. UDrive system is an automated version of manual driving school registration system that allows the student to create and manage their account and update their details. The system can be used by students to check relevant information about the class that they want to enroll. The system enables students to search and booking class. Other than that, students also able to cancel a book class. UDrive system is a system where the student can organize, manage data all of its own. The system can help students for any process without going to the counter and ask the help from the staff. Moreover, the system will help the booking process to be done without time consuming. And now the problem statement. Nowadays, driving school have problems to deal with too many students. This will give problem in terms of communicating with students for their driving class schedule or exam. The staff has to call each student regularly to update about their class and other important information. And lastly, the student also has problem to check information about the class that they enroll, to check the availability of the class and to pick the right date to booking a class that is suitable with their schedule. And now, the objective of the system is to develop a system that allows the student to create and manage their account on their own. To make sure the student have the information about the class. The third one is to enable the student to check the availability of class. To allow the student to book and cancel a class easily. And the last one is to resolve the loss of data and store it in a more organized way. And now, for the scope. The scope of the project are stated as below. First, we have module to be developed. The first module is user access module. This is for registration and user login. And the second one is for information module. This is for search and display available class. And third, process module is for book class, driving test and cancel class. And the fourth one, which is the final one, which is a report module, is for display users detail, booking history and milestone. For the second things in the scope is target user. So for the target user for the system is student only because the system is only designed to be used by the student to register to the system, able to log in, able to view and update personal information, student able to view book class, able to view the fine that been charged for failing to attend a class, able to search and view available class, student able to book and cancel a class, and able to book driving test. And now for the conclusion part. As conclusion, the system has achieved all the objectives as students can create and manage their account and can update their information. Besides, students can have the information about the class, can check available class and book a class that is convenient with their schedule, and students also can cancel a class booking. Finally, the system able to resolve the loss of data and store it in a more organized way. Now I done for my slide, and right now I will show how the program works. At the start, this program will show 3 options which as displayed on the screen right now. Firstly, I will create a new account by enter number 1. The system will ask the user to enter 1 to register or enter other number to return. So I will just enter 1. Right now, I will enter the student details. So the student ID, I will set to 0004100040245. Name, Muhammad Shahidan bin Amri. Right here, if the user enter the date of birth without following the given format, it will ask the user to try again. For example, 12042000. Let's key in based on the given format. 12/04/2000. For the gender, just type M for male, otherwise type F for female. Next, enter the phone number. The program will prompt out message invalid phone number range if the user entered number which less than 10 and more than 11 number. For the address, user need to input address more than 12 characters, otherwise the program will ask the user to key in the address again. Same goes to the email. User need to input more than 12 characters. For the password, just set to ABC123. Alright, the program was successfully added a new student. Let's see what happened if we create another account with the same student ID. The program were unable to add a new student since the user ID were already registered. So right now, let's just log into the system, enter ID 0004100040245, password ABC123. So this is main menu of the program. I will go to the student status first. In the student status, we have student info, milestone, class history, logout and return. So now I will go to student info. So these details of the student that the user entered during the account registration. To update this information, just enter 1 until 5, otherwise enter 6 to return. If I enter number that beyond this range, this system will ask the user to enter the right number again. Now I want to update the phone number, so I just type 3 and then input the phone number. The program will ask the confirmation from user. Just type Y or yes. So we can see that the phone number already changed. Now type 6 to return. Let's go to the milestone by enter number 2. Alright, the program states that the student will need to progress through all this session in order to complete the course. Alright, let's go to the class history. The class history is empty because the student have not attended any class yet. So right now, I'm going to log in as another student. So now I need to log out. Type 4 to log out. We will redirect back to the start menu. And then we log in again. Right now we log in as Muhammad Syazani bin Muhammad Shah. Let's go to the student status. Then go to class history. So we can see here that this student has attended several classes. Now I will log in back as Muhammad Shahidan. Now we go to class. In the class menu, we have option book class, display book class, search class, and cancel class. Let's go to book class. The list of available class are displayed here. To book a class, just enter 1. I want to book class ID KPP02D on 2nd of December 2020. So I enter class number 1. If I already booked a class on this date, I need to book another class. I need to book a class on another date. So let's try to book a class on this date again. Alright. So I am unable to book another class on the same date. So right now, we go to display book class right here, and then we see that the class that I already booked just now are displayed here. Let's go back to the book class and we book another class. Let's book class KPP03D on 5 of December 2020. The class number is 3. Then let's go back to display book class. Alright, the second class has been added to the list here. Right now, I want to cancel a class. I will cancel the second class that I just booked just now. If I try to cancel a class on a date that I don't book, the program will tell me that I don't have any book class on this date. Let's go to the display book class again. We can see that the class number 3 has been removed from the list. Right now, let's go to search class. Let's search by typing class ID for KPP03D. The program will display the information of the class and the list of available class for KPP03D. Okay, now we return to the menu and let's go to search again, and let's search a class that is not exist on the database. So let's type class ID KPP03Z. Alright, so there is no details or information on the list here. So it means that the class is not exist. And then right now, I'm going to return to the main menu. I will go to driving test. Alright, and then let's book a driving test. Just enter the required information. After successfully booking a driving test, the program will show the detail of the booking. And then if I go to the book test here, it will display the detail of the booking again. Alright, let's try to book a driving test again. Go to the driving test and book driving test. The program will tell that I already booked a driving test and redirect back to the main menu. Alright, finally, let's exit the program. Alright, that's all for my workshop 1 presentation. Thank you.